of opening your Windows executable file or your Windows app, for example, maybe apps you downloaded, for example. I thought of opening them manually in a manual way. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that automatically using your OS modules. So this is basically what I want us to do in this video. So let me try opening this app, for example, this screen file, for example. What you know, I'll just have to right click on it for it to start, for it to run and open. It is open. But let's ensure I don't want to come here to manually be opening it all the time. It can be a little bit stressful at times. Maybe in a situation where you want to do automation like handling that up, and maybe in a situation you want this app to open due to some particular reasons, you can use OS module to handle this kind of problem. So how do we do that? In OS module, there's a function that we can use to achieve this. In our last video, remember in our last video, we were able to walk through files. So and remember, what we're going to basically do, there's a function in OS module which is called popen. That's just basically the name. But how can we write it? You can say os.popen. It's just basically going to open a particular file that we want to open, or a particular executable file that we want to open. And what does this do? It actually takes what is called the directories where we want to, the directories path to that file you want to open. So let me say I want to, like how we did initially, let's say I want to open this guy. So I need to find out the path to this screen path. So that I'll just right click on it, go to the properties, and then go to the security, and then I just have to copy this guy, copy the shortcut. That's just basically simple as that. And when you come here, just make sure you have your open and close braces. I'm just going to put it inside. That is just it. There's nothing else again. But then when I run this, okay, sorry, I need to put R in front of here so I'll be able to read it. So when I run this, you can see it just opened. You can see it was not magic or any kind of thing. I've got the same interface. There's nothing much here again. We're able to open this particular executable file. Let's open another file. Let's say I want to open this free Excel viewer. So I'll just go to properties. You can go to security. Okay, let me just copy it. Copy the short path to it. I just come here, put it, remove this guy, change it. So let me run it. Like it's a little bit stubborn to open. You can see they got opened up pretty well. Some app might take some time to open. Like you can see this guy was a little bit stubborn to open. Bye bye. So these are basically how you can open as many as, yes, get out, and then as many as you can decide to open any of your choice here. You can decide to open any app of your choice. Let's say let me try opening this open short video editor. Just right click on it, go to these properties, and then go to the security. Just copy the path to it, and then close it, and then go to here. Just change this link guy, and then paste the link that you just copied. So let me run it. Some app might take a little bit of delay before they can open, because some app tend to be a little bit stubborn to open at times. Some might not even open due to some particular reasons, but most times running this will definitely open the app. You can see this app is taking so much time to open. So as you can see, after some time it got opened up here. This is the open short video editor. You can see, just know that some app can tend to be a little bit slow to open at times. Some might just be stubborn at times, some might just easily open. But just what you should know that it will definitely open by the end of the day. It might just take for some time before it gets opened up. Like you can see, we're able to open it using Python programming language. You can open as many files as you want. You can choose another file. Let's say I want to open this VL media player, for example. Let me go to properties. Just simply go to property, go to your security, copy the link to it, and then go here, change the link here, and then hit the play, and then you can see you can see some are really fast, some are really slow to open due to some mechanism that is behind it. So this just basically it. So, but this just basically how you can open you can open many files, or you can open many books on your Windows or your Mac OS Remember, when you come to macOS and Linux, this uses the kind of a forward slash. I've talked about it in the issue of this series. So this is basically what I was supposed to cover in this video: how to open executable file, how to open maybe I can say let's just give it an app, an application, how to open an application using OS module or in Python programming languages. In language, not languages. So it's for this video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It won't take money from your pocket. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.